Hi everyone, this is Rajesh and my SC key is S02034049, and this video is regarding assignment fifth part of the advanced software engineering. So this we already completed the phase one in this course. Like this is the phase two where we are going to deal with the implementation and test cases part of the phase two. We are already done with the phase one implementation and phase one test cases and phase one design and everything. So previously in assignment 4, we explained like what is the requirement for this one and what is the design for this one and what are the test cases we are going to deal. So in this video, I am going to explain like how we implemented the test cases and how we implemented the phase 2 using like how technology, like what are the technologies that we used and what are the databases that we used here. So that is the explanation for this video. So for this one, in the first phase, like we already done with the registration and user account registration and user login details. And here it comes the second page where user wants to what the data he wants. So for this one, I picked like car stores. So my second page will explain like once the user is able to log in, and he will once the user is able to log in, he will go with one of the page where he can find the lot of cars, and whatever the car he wants he can buy and he can order from that one, so that he will get a mail. So from the mail he is going to pay, and then from here he is going to purchase some car based on the from the car store. So for that one I used like the database store for storing the car names and the car details in the SQL. And here is the table creation for that one, and here is the number cars that I implemented, like what are the cars that are present in the store, like all these details here. So I executed this query, and the query executed successfully, and we added all the car details with the car type, price, and engine type, and what's the brand, and what's the weight, and how much mileage it will give. So this is the basic details of the cars, so that user can easily find out the which car he wants, like that one. And while implementing part, in the implementing part, I used like a Visual Studio, and this Visual Studio is one of the tool where we are going to use for the C# language. So C# language, by using, I'm going to build the solution for this one. So once I build the solution in this one, like I have two controls. One control is related to the user and another control will be related to the cars. So by using the user control, user is able to log in and he is going to register that one. And by using the cars control, cars detail control, he can able to access like what are the cars that present in that store. So let me build a solution so that it easy for you to understand. So once I click on this solution, once I click on the build the solution, it will trigger another localhost page where you can see like the page will contains like home page, login, and register. So you already in the first page we registered that one. So let me try to log in with that name. So here is the login credentials. So once his user is able to log in that one, it will go to take to the another page. It will show like the cars list, what are the cars list that he have. So he will go to like user will go to one by one car details. Like for example, if I hit on this one, it will show like what's the car name, what's the brand name, what's the horsepower, and what engine type it is, and what's the weight, and what's the price, and everything. So like that we can go with like whatever how many cars we have. Like that we can go for each and every car. He will check the picture and he will check the details there. Like that we designed, like that I designed for this everyone to check the car details and everything. So once he like that anything like he is going to buy that one. So while buying, like he needs to give the details like for purchasing. Okay, this will place an order. So once we give the details, and once we hit on the button press enter, so this will then it will show a message like order placed successfully, thanks for shopping. So usual will get a mail of this invoices of this tracking number, so that you can track. And in this one, like you can do one thing, from the mail ID he can able to purchase that car by giving like car transaction details and everything. So this is one of the second phase of the project that we implemented for by using like Visual Studio uh, and the SQL that we used for this one. So this is regarding like our second phase, and I already tested all the test cases, like while user is giving the purchase order, like in case if there are any issues, like it won't execute it successfully. So I already going to share those test results in the Word document. So this is regarding the second phase, implementation, requirement and design, and test case analysis. Thanks for that. Thank you.